because cardinals they like to hang out at our feeders throughout the day, and we got female redbirds and red male birds. They're very fun to watch, and they're very interesting birds. So the brown one is a female and the red one is male. We also have brown bird and chickadee. Chickadee hang out at our feeders too. So yep, this is more like their home. So every morning they're waiting to be fed when they're out here. Yep, some of them like to hang out on the ground instead on the feeder. So those are cardinal, female cardinals. Yep, pick the food off the ground. They are very pretty to watch. They're North Carolina state birds, so they're all over North Carolina.